the country. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today announced that Meghalaya has completed over 4,71,000 functional household tap connections, which is 72.37% of its target. This is above the national average of 72.1%. The Chief Minister congratulated the Jeevan mission team Meghalaya and said that they should continue to work diligently to ensure Meghalaya reaches its target of 100% tap connections. Meanwhile, PHE Minister Marcus Marak also expressed happiness and said that the department is optimistic and it will try to complete the 5 lakh functional tap connections soon.
Be one of the first few states to actually complete 100% connections. But while we say that, there are many challenges, because apart from giving the connections, we have challenges of water source itself, and hence we are working with all the concerned departments.
JJM, we have crossed national average today. The national average is 72.1%, whereas we have achieved 72.37% today. 5 lakh target was set by us, set by me last review meeting to achieve by December 2025, 23-25, before Christmas. But still the connections are going on. We may achieve also, because we have reached 4,71,544.
Health Minister